If you are finding that you're having issues, either folding or unfolding your Quick 4, this is a quick video to show you how to adjust that. So these right here are both spring-loaded. They lock into place once your handlebar is all the way level. If you're finding you're not able to do that, there is a very small screw right here you need to access from below. It's a two-part one. So you're going to want to use your included multi-tool, the 3mm hex bit, access it from underneath right about here. Turn clockwise or counterclockwise. And you will remove the first part. So this is the first part. And if you need to make this lower, you're going to turn it counterclockwise. If you need to make it higher to reduce some of the play up and down here, then you're going to turn it clockwise. Right now I'm going to turn it a little bit clockwise, just so this is a little bit tighter. And then I'm going to take that first piece and reinstall it. And just make it a little bit snug and check that everything works and locks into place when you're done.